Hey toy fans, welcome back to ToyLabTV. I'm Aaron, and today it's Batman vs. Superman. We're going to be opening up this giant Play-Doh surprise Batman egg and this giant Play-Doh surprise Superman egg, but I don't know which one we should open up first. How about we start with Batman? Wow, check out this Batman Play-Doh surprise egg. Awesome. I can almost picture Batman coming to the rescue now when he sees the bat signal. Let's give this bad boy a little shake and see what's inside. All right, it sounds like there's something good in there. Let's just tear right in and find out. If you think our Play-Doh artwork is cool, please give us a thumbs up down below. Hey, I got most of it in one piece. Cool. All right, what do we have inside here? Oh, cool. I see Spider Wars and Bloks, Power Rangers, and some DC Comics blind bags. A lot of cool superhero stuff in here. Before we open up these blind bags, let's check out our Superman egg. All right, that is a super awesome Superman logo right there. You know, in 2016, there's going to be a new movie, Batman vs. Superman. Can't wait to go see that. All right, let's give this one a shake, too. Let's tear right into it and see what we find. Let us know in the comments which Play-Doh egg you like best, Batman or Superman. Wow, look at all the layers on this one. Okay, what do we have in here? Another DC Comics blind bag, I think. Isn't that one? Yeah. Oh, Big Hero 6 and some other stuff we didn't have in the other bag. Cool, let's check it all out. Okay, I see a lot of superheroes here. Which one should I start with first? How about this DC Comics Keyring figure? This is the first time we've had one of these, so let's check it out and see what it looks like. Check out this Aquaman Keyring figure. This is really cool. This is way bigger than I was expecting in that bag. Really cool for a blind bag surprise toy. You see Aquaman hanging from his keyring there. He's not squishy. He's actually kind of hard, but it looks almost like our little egg. You know, he's put together in little layers, so that's pretty cool. And we have him right here on the chart, so it looks like there are about a dozen to collect, a couple of mystery figures, so we got to find a few more. All right, now I'm going to open up this Bloks Power Rangers Megaforce blind bag. It says it's from Series 2. And there's our sheet and our pieces, so I'm thinking that's the red Power Ranger, so let's put it together. And yes, we did get the red Power Ranger. And this action figure has got a little blaster right there. Arms and wrists move, the head turns, pops off the helmet, and then their feet kind of stick onto this little platform right there. Looking at the chart, we see our red Power Ranger, and it's got the blue tag, so it means it's common. What's interesting about these blind bags is they include a few extra pieces. Here's a couple of the pieces right here. And these are going to go together with other pieces we're going to collect to make a super mega cannon. All right, how about a Justice League Chippies 3-pack? So there's 3 Chippies in here. So here are 3 Chippies. This looks like Green Arrow. And yes, that is Green Arrow right there. I'm not sure who this is. It kind of looks like Cyborg. Here's Cyborg. And I'm pretty sure that's Wonder Woman right there. Let's get our chart. And on the other side, we see Wonder Woman. Cool. So there are quite a few more to collect. but these are pretty cool chibis. I see some Transformers back here. So here's our Transformer figure, and I think this might be Rodimus. And that's because I looked at the little card and it says it's Rodimus right there. And on the back side, we've seen this before, is a piece of one of those 3D puzzles. So hopefully we can find our other pieces from our previous Transformers and start to assemble this puzzle. Here is our chart. And we see Rodimus right down here, says Series 2. Is this a Mash'em back here? Let's check it out. Oh, it's more Transformers. And here's our Transformer Mash'em. I'm pretty sure that's Megatron. But if I'm wrong on that, just go ahead and tell us in the comments who it really is. But it looks like Megatron. And he's a Mash'em, so that means he can really stick out his face like in a bubble there. Or, I don't know, the back of his head. And these are rather sticky, so I think they stick to the ceiling pretty well. Let's see if we can get an eyeball to pop there. Let's do something a little different. This isn't really a blind bag. This is a Spider-Man Spider Wars Doc Ock Battle Spider. You pull it back and it attacks. Let's open it up. Okay, this is our Spider Doc Ock Attack Spider, and it's kind of a creepy looking spider right there. Wow. Now, looks like what you do is you put it on the table or floor and you pull it back, and then when it winds up, you let go, and oh, except it didn't do what I thought it did. I think it's going to make the arm. Yeah, there we go. It has to be on the table for the arms to move. So let's give it a try. Woo! That thing was fast. Okay, let's try again. We pull it back, and as you can see, as it moves, the little arms and legs move back and forth. Kind of like scary there, huh? Let's go this way. Oh, that's Freaky McFreak right there. You know, I see this Big Hero 6 blind pack over here, and I've been kind of curious what's inside. Let's open it up. All right, it took me a few minutes to figure out if this really is a sticker, but right here you can see where it peels apart and has sticky on the back. So we actually got 5 of these stickers. So those are 4 scenes from the movie, and then this cool kind of reflective silver sticker of Honey Lemon right there. These are really cool. So you got Honey Lemon, you got Hiro Hamada, you got Baymax looking at his hand there. You got that police officer, remember, who pushed the scotch tape over to Baymax when he sprung a leak. And then you've got Baymax asking Hiro on a scale of 1 to 10, how does he feel? So these are pretty cool stickers. I'm guessing there are a lot of these stickers. 5 in a pack isn't half bad. Cool. Wow, that is Dracula there on the front. This is Series 3 of an Imaginext blind bag set. Who is going to be inside? So here is our Imaginext character, and I'm not really sure who this guy is. We'll kind of look it up here in just a second, but he comes with this helmet that slides on. It looks like one of those kind of deep sea diving helmets you used to see long ago. And this looks like some sort of I don't know, like a robot, some sort of machine with wheels, and it actually rolls pretty well. And it moves up and down. Looks like it's got a little claw there. And I don't know, is that a flashlight or a camera? Maybe it's a camera. Let's find him on the chart. And you see a number of characters here, and here is ours right here in the corner. And you know, they don't put the name on there, so I had to go look it up, and it looks like he is a bomb diffusing technician. That's why he's got all his protective gear, and a robot So the robot can defuse the bomb while, he kind of sits over here and, I'm going to drive the robot to defuse the bomb. Okay, now we've got another DC Comics figure keyring. I wonder which one we're going to collect inside. All right, check out this cool Wonder Woman DC Comics keyring figure. This is really awesome. They're really quite large and actually got a little bit of weight to them, so really cool. And Wonder Woman, just like Aquaman, has got her costume on there, so she is ready to go take on the bad guys who try to put the keys into the wrong car. Way to go, Wonder Woman. Cool. All right, let's take a look at our chart, and we got 2, Aquaman and now Wonder Woman. So cool. I'm looking forward to trying to collect all the remaining DC Comics figures here. So our 2 DC Comics keyring figures run into each other on the street. Hi, Aquaman. How are you? Well, I'm doing pretty good today, Wonder Woman. How about yourself? Well, I'm doing pretty good. I'd really like to go see a movie, though. You up for one? Yeah, I think I could go see that new Superman movie. It's looking pretty cool. Okay, let's go. And our last surprise toy is an Avengers Age of Ultron Bobblehead blind box. Let's open it up. Want to see more Play-Doh surprise eggs? Be sure to subscribe to our channel using that red subscribe button down below. Wow, check out the size of this mystery mini bobblehead from Funko. This is Iron Man Hulkbuster armor, and it is huge. This is really cool. I don't know that you can really call this a mystery mini because it's not very mini. Now, this is the only kind of downside is he's so big, his bobblehead doesn't bobble very much. So, but hey, you know what? He's good and heavy and nice and solid and really big. You can get an idea there of how big he is. It looks like we found some pretty cool surprise toys in our Batman and Superman Play-Doh surprise eggs today. If you'd like to see more Play-Doh surprise eggs like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can do it with that red button down below. And you can see more of our videos by clicking on the left to see our giant Spider-Man Play-Doh surprise egg. Or you can click on the right to see our giant Minecraft Steve surprise egg. Thanks for watching.